Well, I had two friends who did S2DS 2 years ago, and they told me about it, and it seemed like a really interesting idea. I really liked the idea of using everything, all the skills I had from science, and converting it into something that I could use in the real world. So it's been on my radar for a while, and then when it came to the end of my postdoc, I knew it was something that I really wanted to do.
The entire experience at S2DS has been amazing. It's exactly what I heard it would be. It's been fantastic. You learn so much because of lectures, because of hands-on work, and you meet a lot of people who are experts in data science or in biology or in chemistry, and we're all here together combining our efforts to make data science projects come to life. It's been a very educational experience, but also it really commercialized our academic experience and made it ready to deploy in the industry. And now, after everything, we have the job fair, so it's really the perfect transition. And I think as a whole, the program is really amazing and very useful.
I believe that without the experience I gained from S2DS, I wouldn't be a data scientist where I am now. Because the role that I got, my confidence, and also the lessons that I've learned, not just technical, but also some of the soft skills, the communication, understanding business value. It all came through S2DS. And so being able to tell all of the S2DS team, my team that I mentor, and all of the others as well that I interact with through the social events and the networking events, it's just fantastic to be able to tell them that they don't have to worry. They're all very smart, they've all done research places, DPhils, PhDs, all this places everywhere, and they're good enough to be data scientists, and they just have to learn that some of the communication skills that transition and transfer into the business world is all they have to learn, not all of the technical stuff that they believe they have to. And being able to pass on that experience is very important to me.
Last year I was on the opposite side of this table looking for a job, and it was nice to be able to go around, see all the different companies, and I think it was definitely S2DS that enabled me to get this job I have now by sort of preparing me for how to interact with business stakeholders, understand problems, translate them into something that I can solve and give value back to them. It feels a bit odd being here a year later on the other side, but it's been a good year, and come and do S2DS if you're thinking about it.
So at the start of this 5 weeks, I think I was still fairly unsure about whether or not I wanted to pursue this as a career. But the experience that I've had over the past 5 weeks, I feel pretty confident now that, yeah, I'd love to go into data science.